guys, this is Angeline and today I'm gonna share with you how I made this quartz shaped jelly for my smoothie bowl. You'll need a small pot, almond powder or gelatin. I'll leave the water to gelatin ratio in the description box below. Water or milk of choice. Today I'm using food coloring, but by all means you can use fruit puree or superfood powder. A small container, and lastly spatula and whisk. Pour the powder and water into a pot. And stir until there is no lumps. Using small to medium heat, cook the mixture until all the granules dissolve and reaches a small boil. Off the heat and add coloring until your desired color. For mine, I used 10 drops of food coloring here to achieve this color. Remove the pot and set some of the jelly mixture apart to create a marbling effect. Pour the rest of the mixture into the container. With the set aside mixture, add in more coloring or a different color dye. I did not use enough coloring so the gradient is not very obvious in my end result. Pour the mixture back into the container in a streamlined motion and chill the jelly into the fridge until it is set. After the jelly sets, cut into small cubes. To create the quartz shape, first you need to trim the sides, then the top to make it sharper. All the quartz is unique in its own design, so don't be stressful to make every jelly the same shape. You end up with quite a number of squares, but don't worry, you can remelt them or add it inside your fruit dessert bowl. I'm just doing a simple acai banana smoothie today, but feel free to use your favorite combination. Into the blender, add in 2 frozen bananas, 1 teaspoon of acai powder and some milk. Blend it till it's smooth and voila! Your smoothie is done. Assembling is my favorite part because I get to add all my favorite snacks on top. First up will be our quartz jelly that we just made. Then some fresh cherry, my favorite Dang Foods coconut snack. Shout out to my sister who bought them for me in New York. Some pumpkin seeds and chia seeds to end it all. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. If you enjoy watching, please like this video. If you want to see more of my creation, then subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching!